Okay, Model Rocks 321 here, back with another video. This is a launch video. This rocket is the US TOG. It will be launching very shortly. This is also a voiceover because the audio got lost. So we should have a countdown coming right about now. This is the US TOG going on a D12-3. And it's going to wait on it. And there it go. The rocket flew really nice, straight and true on that D12-3. As you can see, it reached apogee just about now, and we should have a parachute event just took place, and it's heading back down. It was a great day for flying, probably about 85 degrees, but the temperature was rising as we were out there. It still probably hit 100. It gets very hot here in Arizona, but the US TOG is heading down at this point, that first event, and it is heading down, heading down, heading down. So at this point, I already started walking out to go retrieve it. I was just looking at the landscape. It's so, beautiful. It's a great field. I used to fly just to the left of this, but they cleared that area and they smoothed it out. And next thing I know, there's corn growing on the other side. It's all green. So I'll be on this section right here. I was just looking at some of these rocks. It really look like Mars, but with some green scrubs here and there. So very good launch on the US TOG. Nice rocket, big rocket on a D12-3. Great, great. Perfect. It was perfect. There was no damage to the rocket at all. It went great. It was the best launch of the day, actually. All the other ones were great too, but everything had its own little issues, except for this one. And here I come up to it. I recover the US TOG, just checking it out, and I get my friend to take some pictures of it while it's on the ground before I pick it up. But it went great, and we will continue with some more flights with full audio right now.
All right, next up we got the Federation Star Probe. About to go. It's all done, all complete, and we are ready to go. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we got the Federation Star Probe. About to go. And 3, 2, 1. There we go on a B64. Woo. Oh, something blew apart. Separation. Wow, that was a strong kick. Kind of gliding down. Parachute separation. Hopefully it lands in that grass. In the grass. And you gonna keep an eye on that one for me? All right. Marlo's gonna recover that. I'll recover the body. Parachute still up there. Wow, that kick was hard on the B64. Wow. Oh, that's drifting. He is drifting. So now where did the body go? Thought it came over here somewhere. All right, so here we have the Federation Star Probe. We got separation. Wow, something broke loose. Oh, I see it tore from up top. So Marlo, my friend, went to go recover the parachute. I had the main body. No damage though, everything is good, perfect. I might be able to tie that back on and get another flight. So let me go observe things and then we'll be right back. All right, so here we go with the Scissor wing transport, about to launch again its second flight. Everything is in place. When this pod kicks, we should get a nice glide. Got the little tail weight there, and let's go and do this. If you saw the last video about this launch, it had a serious crash, but I got the body all rebuilt, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, Model Rocks 321, Scissor wing transport, going for it again. Oop. Scissor wing transport, here we go. Going in 3, 2, 1. There we go, arched over. Let's get the glide. Pop, pop, pop. Where's the ejection? There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. We got a nice glide out of the Scissor wing transport. Finally. Oh, check it out. Nice. There we go. That was a 3-second delay. Hopefully there's no damage. It landed in this harder dirt. Yeah. So it did arch over my head into the wind a little bit. It's a light breeze out here. I saw it heading down. That 3-second delay seemed longer than 3 seconds, but just the speed that it was traveling. So that was on the C63 engine, so real cool. Got a nice glide out of it. I wonder if I take a little bit of that tail weight off, might get a little better. And here we go, here we go. Scissor wing transport sat down right here in this bush. Parachute's out here somewhere. Now I gotta locate that. This is easy to find. I gotta find the other part, which is always the tough part, that parachute. Let's see. Here we go. Not too bad. Not too bad. Here we go. Yay, proven. Here we go. Good deal. Everything intact. Wings nice and strong. Perfect. Model Rock 321, the Scissor Wing Transport. Good job, Scissor Wing. Good job. Yep, no damage. Look at that. Nice. Perfect. All right, next up we got the Estes Upscaled Alpha One. You all seen the smaller versions fly in the last video, and this one is an upscale. We'll be going on an E15 Aerotech. All right, here we go. Got the Estes Upscaled Alpha One going in 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Didn't go. Tried. Give that a few seconds. All right, so we just had a misfire. Give that a few seconds. I don't want it to pop off on me. Just had a misfire. I'm going to go with a different engine because I only have one of those igniters with me. I always do that. I don't know why. All right, Model Rock 321 here. We got the Alpha One going on an E12. Aerotech igniter got blown, so here we go. On E12-4. Going in 3, 2, 1. There we go. E12-4. And we got parachute tangled up. God darn it. I saw when it hit that line. Coming in right above us, kind of fast, kind of fluttering. Might have some damaged fins on this one. It is coming down a little bit too fast. Hopefully it lands in that grass right there. And there we go. I don't know. I saw when it tangled up. Did you see it? Nah. Oh, you couldn't see it? I could see it. Like I saw it just, it opened up and then it ran right into that, to the shot cord. All right, here we go. Oh. All right, so here's the Alpha One on the ground. Parachute, shroud line. I saw it go right into it. I'll check the damage here in a minute. It hit those fins, I don't know. They're through the wall fins. I don't know, are we good? I don't know, yeah, I ain't gonna know until I pick them up. All right. Yeah, that sucked. I saw it collapse. It opened for a second and then it collapsed on the shot cord. But yeah, let's go ahead and, what we got? Wow. To hit that hard, I mean, look like everything's still good. Wow, it hit. Here's the marks. Dug in right there. Well, still good. Still good. I can fly this again, actually. All right, here we go. We got the Federation Star probe on a C53. Going in 3, 2, 1. C53 is way up there, fast. Parachute, there we go, there we go. Everything worked this time. Got the parachute out. It don't look like the horizontal. I'm trying to see what's going on. All right, I see. Yeah, the cone's still attached, so it ripped by the rear. I had it, it's supposed to be horizontal recovery, but I'm guessing that it ripped that off, so I'm gonna take a look when we get it. But overall, it took off really quick. Coming down on an 18-inch parachute. They recommended a 12. Get away from that tree. Like it's gonna go behind the tree, I'm guessing. And there we go, coming down. Right, and it looked like the soft grass. Cool. Federation Star probe on a C53. C53 is a nice engine. Very nice engine. Took off. 3-second delay. Had it horizontal recovery. That didn't happen, but all good. Oh, I see some quail. There's some quail right under that tree. I don't know if you guys can see those quail. Oh, look at them. They live under there. Little family of quail out here. They're all booking it now. Oh, I didn't land in the grass. I landed on the, of all the grass it could, look guys, it could have landed in any of this grass. Could have landed in this grass, but it did not. It landed on this dirt. Parachute, everything seemed to be fine. Family of ants out here coming to check it out. Ooh, that tube is soft right there. Family of ants, a lot of these out here in the desert. Red ants. Good. So, oh yeah, that part that ripped, oh yeah, it ripped off. It don't like that. It didn't like that horizontal. That stayed, but I had it so it would come down with horizontal come down horizontally, sideways. Didn't happen. Little decal ripping, soft. Wow, this tube feel a little soft there. But that is it for today, guys. This has been Model Rocks 321. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will be back with more videos. Check the video that's coming up on the end of this video. And like I said, guys, share the video. Feel free to share the video on your Facebook, text it to a friend, email it to a friend, share it on your channel, share it on your YouTube, on your website. All right, guys, Matt here, Model Rocks 321, Federation Star Probe, decal still coming off. Later. All right, so today, flew 4 rockets, 5 flights, flew the Federation Star Probe twice, US TOG once, and the Scissor wing transport worked out great. And I got the SDs, the Alpha One went great as well, except for the flight, the parachute got tangled up, but it hit pretty hard and still good, still good. I can see where the fins took a little hit straight into the dirt, but no problem. This is really impressive. I'm really happy when this one worked out. That 3-second delay, I thought it was gonna, crash, but it didn't. So everything went well with the Scissor wing. There's the spin motor casings right there. US TOG was really nice. That's this Blitzkits rocket right here. On a D12-3 sent it up pretty good. Really nice design, super stable. Federation Star Probe, I had it rigged so it will recover horizontally. It ripped off, I don't know, it just tore off on the first time, and then the second flight on the C53, it stayed all attached, but it still didn't work. But overall, great day of flights. No damage, everything's good, everything perfect. Perfect day, we're flying.